All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick review on my new 16-inch tool bag. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Show you the bottom piece first. Very nice. Let's open it up. It's got a total of 14 pockets for you to store things in. It's got these nice handles right here. This is the inside. And then we can go ahead and attach this if we need to. It will zip all the way up, just like that, keeping your tools nice and safe in there. And then right in here, so you can see, you've got some pockets right here, as well as some pockets right in here. All right, so let's go ahead and actually fill it up. This one I'll probably put right in the front in one of these pockets. All right, there you go. You could even fit a battery right in here. Then you need a charger. Some tape. And these we can probably put just right in here, just like that. This one, put it on the side pocket. And then just some of your miscellaneous tools, we'll put in this one, just like that. We'll put one more item in here, but as you can see, you can literally fit quite a bit of tools in here. It'll help keep everything more organized, especially with so many pockets all around here. I do like this bottom piece. It'll help keep it protected no matter what surface you put it on. So if you guys are looking for a new tool bag, DIY bag, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.